hair is just not cooperating. This is like that meme that says the beach is gonna get whatever body I give it. This video is gonna get whatever hair is just going on right now because my bangs are not cooperating. Anyways, welcome back, babies. This is already giving me some Valentine's vibes, so I hope that you recreate this, and if you do, take a picture and tag me because I would love to see how you did. And yeah, keep watching. I had a really good time filming this. It had been a couple of weeks since I got a chance to sit down and just have some time to myself and record. This looks crazy here right now, but regardless, I'm happy I got to do it, and it is done and it will be up shortly, so stay tuned for the next video and tell me what it is that you would like to see. You know, I really truly enjoy sitting down and just creating different looks with different eyeshadows, different palettes, but sometimes as an artist you need a little bit of inspiration, and I love going online or on Instagram or on YouTube or on Pinterest, wherever it is that I can get inspiration from. So if you have any ideas that you would like for me to create, let me know. I would be more than happy to give it a shot and see how it turns out. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you really enjoyed this.